Welcome back. In this video, we will learn that how you can set a browser as a default one. So first of all, you have to go for start button, then setting. In setting, you have to find apps, and after that you have to click apps and features. Now scroll down and find the web browser. So from this option, you can choose the desired browser which you want to set as a default one. For example, I select Firefox and it has changed as a Firefox, but I want to choose Google Chrome, so once again I select the Google Chrome. That's it. That's the way that how can you change or set your browser as a default browser. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up.